Where's our home? Oh, alam na yung bahay namin. Oh. Alam na niya. Ayan, oh, alam na niya yung bahay. Oh. Ayan, alam na niya yung bahay. Katok! Tao po! Tao po! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world mga paps. So this is Papa again. At this time wala si Apa. So susunduin natin siya mga paps doon sa daycare. At dinala siya ng aking daughter kaninang umaga. At ngayon is almost 7 PM mga paps. At susunduin natin siya. So ayan, at samahan niyo ako at pagmasa natin ang napakagandang kalangitan at ang magandang panahon. So let's go! Ayan nga mga paps, at nandito na kami sa party dog. So susunduin namin siya pa. Yung sabi ko, susunduin namin siya. Kasi wala siyang kasama sa bahay the whole day. So tinrate namin siya dito. Meron siyang mga friends na dito.
Huskies, and then the pool was just his favorite thing.
Oh yeah, I've
my
seen the
gosh.
picture.
He was rolling in it. He was laying in it.
Oh, really?
Every 10 minutes.
There's no
I think he
video,
was
just
there.
only I've seen his picture.
I just got pictures today.
Picture.
Yeah, but I can definitely take pictures next, or take videos next
Oh,
time.
next
he
time,
travels.
next time. Yeah.
And it's just that $39.90. Let me go grab your helper boy.
So yan nga mga paps, $39.90, almost $40 yung bayad namin for 6 hours mga paps. So ayan, at abangan natin yung paglabas niya.
Who is here, handsome boy? Who is it? Are you ready?
Hey, Apa! How are you?
Oh, just so
Are you happy?
Oh,
Oh.
Like, I gotta tell you.
They
all
are
about
grooming
my
too?
baby.
Grooming? No.
I don't
No?
believe so.
Oh, no.
Hey, buddy.
No grooming. It's just showering, right?
Oh, yeah, our groomer is booked out right now.
Go.
What's this? Can you sit? Oh, that is such a good boy. There you go.
Want more?
That was all I got.
No,
Definitely.
that's it.
Mr. Appa,
Apa.
you were such a good boy, so we can definitely.
Excited to go home.
What's this? Can you sit? Oh, that is a good
Good
Yeah,
job.
that is. Good job.
Apa. Go! Diyan ka lang, Apa. Sit. Sit na, sit. Ayan si Apa, oh, hindi kasya. Medyo maliit, mga paps. Maliit yung...
Bakit hindi hindi siya pwede dyan maliit.
Hello, Apa. Are you okay? Okay, we're going home na, okay? Apa. Apa, we're going home na. Yan, nasundo na namin si Apa, mga paps. Yan ka lang, Apa. Yan ka lang. So, yan, Apa. Andito na tayo. We're home, Apa. We're home.
Go home, let's go.
Okay, where's our home? Oh, where's our home? Oh, alam na yung bahay namin, oh. Alam na niya. Ayan, oh, alam na niya yung bahay, oh. Ayan, alam na niya yung bahay. Katok! Tao po! Tao po!
A few moments later.
So, dyan nga mga paps, pagkatapos niyang kumain ay plakda. Pagod na pagod si Apa. Ayan, nakatulog na sa sobrang pagod. At syempre, marami siyang kalaro na iba't ibang klaseng aso. Kaya excited siya mga paps. So, yan. At hanggang dito na lamang. Thank you very much for watching. And I love you all. Bye-bye.